guys, Sam here. Today in this video, gonna be doing crossbar challenge of 3 carries and get 4 shots each one. The crossbar challenge is from inflatable ball. So first category, right foot, next one, left foot, then Rabona. So if I don't hit it, right foot, I get 4 water balloons over me. If I don't hit it with left foot, I get 3 water balloons over me. If I don't hit it with Rabona, I get 2. And it'll be a separate video when my forfeits, okay? So, right foot, I get 4 shots. Let's get into this. Oh, close. I just had a game today, and last time we drawed 5-5, and the team is the older age group of us, and they don't even go football, but we bet them, so yeah. Did you see that? It even went in. That was just brilliant. Now it's left foot. Not looking forward to it, because if he's done I'm right footed. No, first try. The first try, guys. Too easy. Never born. If I get a first try, that's great. No, I didn't. Done well on right foot, done well on left foot, but the bonus just. The left foot's the hardest one, but the bonus. Just don't know. This is a flyway. And that's why I'm hitting the post and the post. I only get 2 more attempts or forfeits. Yes, I need that. Oh, that's skiff. Oh, we don't take skiff. Ours. So let's just keep doing this. And now we've got Rabona. So if I don't hit this, yeah. I don't take that again. Both of them skipped it. So they count, but they don't count, so I'll just take one again. So I'll miss it anyway, so I don't really need to get angry. I just said I would miss it. Like, I'm just saying, I've not even edited this video. I've done really good. Just because I can hit the crossbar like this. Well, yeah, I've not actually edited it because I've done really good. So, why not just do woodwork challenge as well? Because the video's only been on for 3 minutes. So yeah, let's do the woodwork challenge. It's forfeits again. Don't let right poo. Right poo first. Right, so I need to hit them all. Get 5 attempts at 1 each, so get right. So I need to hit any order I like. First one, all of them are 4 water balloons actually, so right, I'm going with crossbar. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Crossbar, inside me. Can't really get better goal than that. Now, right post. Oh, I need to mention, if you hit the right post and it doesn't come off the ground, yeah, it doesn't count. So I'm gonna go for this is what the referees call it, the Swaz takers. Let's go. Not for me. Ready. Now I'm just gonna place it. And Mother will say you don't need blast penalties, just place it. So that's what I'm just gonna do. Oh, I'm gonna place it outside the door. Wait, guys. No, guys. If you come here, that just did hit. You will be thinking like, Sam, that didn't hit. What are you talking about? But yeah, I did hit, so I'm just going to show you. It like bounced off of it and it went like this. So I did hit. So I've done the right post. Need to do the left post. Left post is just hard. So let's just try and do it. Yeah, I'll give these a bit on. Yeah, you can see left post. So I'm just going to go left post. Oh, that was like a cow. And it's not even different with the flyway and the longboard. It is actually. The flyway is just, you can just do anything. So I'm just going to swaz Tekker's it. She's just going like fast. So, left post. Let's go. Yes! Come on. That was actually good. So, I don't need. I don't know how many attempts it took. 4 or 5 that did. So, yeah. Don't need any forfeits. It's brilliant. Crossbar. Oh, I meant that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you.